there's my base image. Now I've duplicated it and flipped it and squashed it. Really need something with as much sky in as possible. There's my white layer that I'm going to put a noise map in for water ripples. So that's render, noise, solid noise. This is now a gaggle effect. I can use it, so I can break the link between X and Y, and really you want Y right up to the maximum 16. And you can play with X if you want to, but Y is the one to look out for. So that's now a full-sized layer, and I'm going to squash it using this Unified Transform tool, Grid tool. That little square at the top, if I hold the Shift key on it, I can drag that whole layer down and squash the layer to make it look a little bit more like water ripples. Got those two bottom layers now like that, and what I need to do with those is put them to the same size. So I'm going to go layer to image size for that one, and the same for this bottom layer to image size. So everything's the same size now, all layers the same size. In the Tools menu, Filters menu, Map, Displacement. Even though it's not visible, I can go into that input and click on it, layer number 1, looks like that. I can break the link between X and Y, and I'll just juggle the horizontal displacement around till I get something I like. In this case, not very much. It's not, I think it's enough. Too much looks really weird. So that's my displacement map. There's my original back end. There's the ripples layer, which I can put into multiply mode. With this particular image, that's a little bit on the dark side, so I'm going to go and drop the opacity down to suit. I think it's look better, something like that. And this one, not in your old method, but I think this needs a bump map. So that's the same procedure as before. Auxiliary input that ripple layer, just to depth until you get a few more visible ripples. OK that. And then we can go and filters blur, Gaussian blur. Again, it's a gaggle operation which you see on the screen. Adjust it to whatever you like. I think that's okay. There we are.